In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a deep research agent in n8n with Perplexity. By the end, you'll have the template added to your workspace and ready for customization. We'll keep it simple and focused using n8n's built-in templates library so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Start by opening your n8n instance in your browser and signing in if prompted. You'll land on the Workflows homepage. This is your starting point for creating and managing automations. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the research agent to live, especially if you manage multiple environments like development and production. From the left-hand menu, open Templates. Templates are pre-built workflows curated by the n8n community and team. They save you time by packaging nodes, connections, and example logic into a single importable workflow. You can preview what a template does before pulling it into your space, which is great for understanding structure and prerequisites. Use the search bar at the top of the templates page and type Perplexity Deep Research Agent. Give it a second to load results and check for a template that references Perplexity and Deep Research. If you see multiple variations, look at the short description to confirm it aligns with your needs, like comprehensive web synthesis, iterative querying, or source citation. Names can vary slightly, so focus on the function rather than exact capitalization. Click the template you want to open its detail view. Here, review the overview, the nodes included, and any notes about credentials. Many research templates rely on an external AI service and may reference an API connection. You won't add any secrets here, but it's helpful to know what will be requested after import. Also, glance at any example inputs to understand how the workflow expects queries and returns results. When you're ready, choose Use. This begins the process of bringing the template into your own workspace. n8n will show you the nodes and connections that will be created, so you can confirm you're importing exactly what you expect. If your workspace enforces credential policies, you might see reminders that certain connections need configuration later. Finally, click Import Template. n8n will add the workflow to your canvas and give it a name. You'll now see the full layout, including all nodes and notes from the template author. At this point, the Deep Research Agent is in your environment and ready for you to review, tailor, and connect to your preferred credentials and data sources. That's it for getting the Deep Research Agent template into n8n using the Perplexity approach. Thanks for watching, and happy building!